Hello there guys, Gus from Santa Teresa Motorsports here. Today we're going to be going over this 2020 RZR XP 1000. This is a 1000cc liquid cooled machine. Only has about 41 hours on it, electronic fuel injection, 110 horsepower on this guy. It does have about a 9.5 gallon tank, which is perfect for doing a long distance riding. And it does have Walker Evans suspension all around. It was previously owned by someone who did add quite a bit of accessories on it. You can see they did add some spotlights there, some rear view mirrors, side mirrors, windshield on there, and it can be ventilated as well. They also threw on a roof on this guy, and if you see inside right here, they did add some storage bags to all the doors. Very impressive machine, as well as they added a front bumper on there, you know, so get you over anything you're really driving. This is a great machine. Come on down and check it out at Santa Teresa Motorsports. Ask for Gus.